How to tie the double V fan gele. I know it sounds complicated, but it can be easy. So you need your pin and you need your gele, of course. Now before I go into today's tutorial, I just want to say I am wearing the aching lashes, scrumptious. You're wondering why I'm looking good? It's the Akins that have blessed me with their lashes. Head over to the Instagram and slide in the DMs to order your supporting small businesses. They have over 10 styles to choose from and it's free packaging and postage. Be sure to support. Let's get into today's video. We want to split our gele into, I wouldn't say 70-30, more like 80-20. Yeah, right there. 80-20. Because you're coming both ways, right? And like always, you want to just press that down. Right? My other videos, my other tutorial, gele tutorials, it's literally just when I do the pleats, it's the straight pleats. So this is the cross, the V. So a V crossing. We want to do our pleats, because that's my line right there, and this is why we press it, because we want to see that line. This is my line over here, so my line is going to come to my middle here. So usually on the normal pleats you go over your ears, but because I'm doing the V, I'm going right behind my ears, right? Going right behind my ears to cross it over. PS, don't wear earrings to do this before doing this. So do this, then wear your accessories, right? So right, I got that, and now my second one. Whoop, really poking my earrings, right? And then I do my pleats. Say as much as you want, as little as you want. Because if your first time trying it, you want to be as little as possible. I mean, and if you count yourself as an intermediate level, then you want to do as many as possible. So the same thing, I put that over my ears and like the same. So this one I'm putting it back, okay? It's not like the other one that you can put across, like it will just come straight. This is coming right here behind me, like so. Here is I get my pin and I just put pin around there, just to hold this down here for me so it doesn't move too much, like so. So that's my V. It crosses and that's V. So as a normal V, if you just want to do the one V step, well, the one V platform, the step, you just bring this one, you bring it around and do your finishing, right? Well, because I'm doing a double one, I'll bring my second side here. Because I pin it down, you know, it's not moving anywhere anytime soon. So the same thing, I'm gonna bring this over like so. Grab my pin and I pin this down. Now to finish it off, I mean, this already looks like some people will come for me and be like, yo, Lizzie, you crazy. This already looks like a style, but let's be more sophisticated, okay? And let's finish this off. So I said I was doing the fan, and now I'm doing my finishing touches right there now. Boom. Now come and make this very neat. Okay, so we've got our style, our double crossing, double X in front, zaga boom, zaga boom, zaga boom, and we've got our fan, which is gonna make up our, clean up the back, and we are done. We are done. Where's this the kaboom? Kaboom! Thank you all for watching this video. I hope this tutorial has been very helpful, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Once again, I am wearing the Aikens lashes. Head over to the Instagram, slide in the DM, boo, and order yours. Supporting small businesses, and do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friend, grandma, brother, sister, uncle, auntie, boyfriend, girlfriend, and the list goes on. And do not forget to hit that notification bell to always get a notification every time I upload a new content. Thank you all once again.